To help with our next award, I'd like to invite Eric O'Connor and Rob Larson from Canadian Forces Base Cold Lake to join us on stage. Cold Lake was last year's recipient of the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award. Home and Rob are going to help us present the award to this year's recipient. The Schram Award is more than a simple military show of the year. Presented in 35 of the last 37 years, the award recognizes and showcases the bases that use their event to help build stronger community relations.
Of the more than 150 active duty U.S. Air Force and Air National Guard bases in the United States and around the world, the majority are located in small cities and towns. From Valdosta, Georgia to Spokane, Washington, and from Grand Forks, North Dakota to Del Rio, Texas, the local military base is often one of the biggest employers and principal landmarks in the communities where they're located. And that makes the public affairs initiatives of the air shows held on these installations an especially valuable opportunity for the base and the community to renew their partnerships and recommit to their common goals. This year's recipient of the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award overachieved on its community relations mission.
One thing that's unique about Goldsboro and the Seymour Johnson relationship is I haven't seen another base and community relationship that is as strong as you have here in Goldsboro.
Yeah.
I'd like to give you an opportunity to introduce the Thunderbird officers for Team 2025. Would you like to meet them?
Yeah!
All right, come on up, guys. Come on up.
The team that produced the Wings Over Wayne Air Show and Open House at Seymour Johnson Air Force Base in Goldsboro, North Carolina, was laser focused on using the event to make meaningful connections with the local community. From Friday's STEM event for school-age children to the community outreach event held on Friday evening in downtown Goldsboro to the air show itself on Saturday and Sunday, Seymour Johnson collaborated with an off-base military affairs committee and other local organizations and government agencies to reconnect with its neighbors and remind them of the vital role that the F-15 Strike Eagle base and the community play in defending the nation. Over 5,000 students attended the STEM event on Friday during the rehearsal show, featuring 40 STEM-related exhibitors. The hangar remained open to the public for the entire weekend. The City of Goldsboro and local civilian organizations worked closely with the installation to stage a new event on Friday evening that featured live music and helped to kick off the air show weekend, while also allowing the public to connect with performers and base representatives in an informal setting. Partnering with local businesses and nonprofit organizations helped Seymour Johnson stage a world-class air show on a limited budget that produced a $9.1 million impact on the local economy. By design, the close coordination between the base and local civilian organizations helped to foster trust, strengthen lines of communication, and ensure that both military and civilian partners operated as one cohesive team. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the 2025 recipients of the Dick Schram Memorial Community Relations Award, the Wings Over Wayne Air Show at Seymour Johnson Air Force Base.
The selection committee for this year's Schram Award singled out Seymour Johnson Air Force Base's multifaceted approach to using its air show as a more effective community relations tool. The base has had a strong relationship with Goldsboro, North Carolina, the community in which the base is located, and this event was used to strengthen and deepen those relationships.
Oh, apparently I got to speak, so. Well, on behalf of Seymour Johnson, it's truly an honor to be able to receive this award. We worked really hard with the community, with our military affairs community, and they really tied in with us to produce a world-class event. So we're really proud of what we did, and hopefully we can perpetuate that throughout the airshow community. So thank you so much, and it's an honor to receive this award for Seymour Johnson Air Force Base.